Hello my friends, this is Vivian. Welcome to Bear Hut Kitchen. Today we're going to make some chili oil, which is fundamental for dumplings, wontons, and all kinds of Asian cooking recipes. And then we're going to introduce some of the most commonly used sauce for dipping sauce and Chinese cooking. Let's look at the ingredients first. Spring onion, ginger, bay leaves, star anise, garlic, cinnamon stick, coriander seeds, cardamon pods, fennel seeds, sichuan pepper. Here's how it looks. And chili flakes. We can easily find them in Asian market. First, we heat the oil in a saucepan to 90 degrees. Here we use neutral oil, for example, canola oil, peanut oil, or sunflower oil. We can put the chopstick into the pan. If you see some very active bubbles around the stick, the oil is ready. Add the garlic, ginger, spring onion. They should be fizzing, but not too much. We don't want to burn them. Then add star anise, sichuan pepper, coriander seeds, cinnamon stick, cardamon pods, bay leaves, and fennel seeds. Turn the heat to low and let the oil to infuse for about 1 hour. Stir it from time to time. Make sure they don't get burned. Meanwhile, ground the remaining sichuan pepper. Mix it with the chili flakes in a jar. After 1 hour, remove the pan from the heat. Let it cool for a few minutes. Rest a mesh sieve on the jar to filter out the aromatics and pour the oil over the chili flakes. Once the oil has cooled, we can add the salt. Now we have our homemade chili oil. We put the cover and store it in room temperature for 3 months. To make dumpling sauce, we need chili oil, but there is something else also very important. Light soy sauce. The color is lighter compared to dark soy sauce, and the viscosity is lower, which means it's more fluid. Dark soy sauce. Its main purpose is to add color to a dish. It's less salty and slightly sweeter than light soy sauce. And these two soy sauces are not interchangeable. Black vinegar. We use it very often for dumpling dipping sauce. Compared with the white vinegar, it has excellent depth of flavor. Rice wine. This is our primary cooking wine, made from fermented rice. It's an important ingredient for a lot of dishes. Oyster sauce. This is a thick sauce made with the oyster extract. It adds a sweetness and umami, very often used in stir fries. White rice vinegar. Compared with the black vinegar, it's more acid and keep the original color of the food. Sesame oil. Asian sesame oils are often made from toasted sesame seeds, which gives it amber color and nutty flavor. The burning point of a sesame oil is quite low. That's why we use it more often in sauce and dressings instead of cooking. These are the sauces I always keep in the kitchen. For Asian cooking, you definitely need them. So much for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.